Fireflies AI tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Fireflies AI. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Fireflies AI, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Fireflies.ai, it is an advanced AI-powered meeting assistant designed to enhance productivity by automating the process of transcribing, summarizing, and analyzing meetings. And also the platform integrates seamlessly with popular web conferencing tools such as Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and many more. And one of its standout feature is its AI Super Summaries, which utilizes generative AI technology similar to that ChatGPT or GPT-4 to provide detailed and actionable meeting recaps. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click Get Started for a free button right here. And after signing in, you will be directed on this page, in which the first thing that you need to do is to simply enter here, or choose your meetings Fireflies that will join. We have here all meetings with this web configuration link, only meetings that I own, only meetings with teammates, and many more. And you would also send meeting recaps to, I'm going to enter here or select only me. And after that, just click the continue button to proceed. And upon doing so, from here, the next thing that you need to do is simply invite your teammates to your workspace. So you can simply enter here their email address, then click the invite button to proceed. Or I'm going to click not now if you don't want to. And after that, from here, to start your 7 days free trial with all of these kind of features, just click start free trial button, in which it will show you that you can start entering here all of your card details, including your card number, expiration date, security code, and any other details. And after that, you can now start 7 days free trial. However, if you want to close this one, just click the X button on the top right corner. Then you will now be able to be directed on this homepage of Fireflies.ai. And in this pop-up window, it will show you how you can start understanding the Fireflies works, and click the next button below to proceed. And after that, you could also choose your meeting language in here, but I'm going to choose this English. And if you also have a Zoom, you could click connect or not now button if you don't want to. Now going back to this home page, to start using for meeting, just click the plus button on the top right corner. In here, by clicking on it, you have the option to add a live meeting, schedule new meeting, or upload audio or video. But in those options, let's say I'm going to click schedule new meeting, and from here you have the option to choose either Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook. But let's say I'm going to choose Google Calendar. By simply clicking on it, we'll be able to be directed in my Google Calendar account. And from here, you can start adding the title of this meeting that we want to schedule. However, I'm going to close this pop-up window. So from here, we can add the title in here. The name, for instance, I'm going to enter here, meeting. And below, you could also navigate below some other options, including to add the schedule, location, a notification, and the duration of this meeting. The description of it, while on the right side panel under this guest section, it will show you that the email of Fireflies is now part of here. And from here, as you can see, you could also add a guest, navigate the guest permission, modify the event, invite others, see the guest list, and many more. And if you're now done, just click the save button on the top right corner and click send to proceed. Now as you can see, it is now currently added or scheduled in this Google Calendar. And once we go back to this page once again, you should see here that the meeting is now being scheduled. Now aside from scheduled meeting, you would also click the plus button once again and add to live meeting. And from here, all you need to do is simply enter here the name of the meeting and also the meeting link, including your Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and many more. Then click start capturing button to proceed. But going back on this page or home page in here, under this my feed, it will show you some of the tasks that we can send to some of these integrated applications such as Trello, Asana, and many more. While on the left side panel, we can navigate here this meetings option by clicking on it. You should see here some of the meeting that has been transcribed. Or you could also upload here the media files or the meeting of the media that you also want to transcribe. Moving on, you could also navigate here on the left side panel, the shared with me, all meetings, in which you should see here all of the meetings that we have shared in us. While under this meeting status, it will show you all of the meeting that has been currently processed. However, if you just had a meeting or finished the meeting, it will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to finish processing. So from here, all you need to do is to simply check the status. Moving on to this playlist section, you could also create a playlist by clicking this one. And from here, just simply enter the name of the playlist that you want and select the playlist access, in which this playlist will help you to organize and share the key audio snippets known as sound bites from meeting and recordings. And also this functionality enhances knowledge sharing and communication within teams. Moving on, you could also navigate this contacts option in here, where you could also add a new meeting once again, in which it serves as a centralized hub for managing and organizing your contacts effectively. It will allow you, using this functionality, to filter and search and sort through their contacts, making it easier to access relevant information quickly. While under this upload, you can simply upload an audio or video in here that you want to transcribe. Now moving on to this integration section, from here you can start connecting different kind of applications to enhance the productivity and streamline the workflows in a meeting management. We have here Copper, Dialpad, Dropbox, Email, Google Drive, Google Meet, and many more. In which the primary purpose of these integrations is to simply automate the transcription of meetings and calls, allowing users to capture and analyze important insights without manual note-taking. While moving on to this topic tracker, it is designed to help users monitor specific keywords and places during meetings, enhancing the efficiency of information retrieval from discussions. However, it needs to have an upgrade account to use it. While under this analytics option, this functionality allows users to quantify the conversation, providing insights into what is working well and what is needed an improvement. However, you must have an upgrade account also or premium account to use it. Moving on to this team section, from here, you could also start inviting your team by clicking the invite teammates on the top right corner, in which it is designed to enhance the team collaboration by providing a suite of features that streamline meeting and management and communication. Now moving on to the settings option, by clicking on it, it will show you in here a variety of options to navigate, including these meeting settings, meeting compliance, AI customization, developer settings, and many more. In which this option is designed to optimize the user experience by customizing how the AI assistant interacts with meetings and processes information. And also, these settings not only enhance the functionality of Fireflies AI, but also ensure that it meets the specific needs of different users and industries, ultimately leading to more effective meeting documentation and collaboration. And from here, it will show you some of these key features, including auto-join settings, which will allow users to specify which meetings Fireflies will automatically join. But going back to this home page right here, or to show you how it works, so kindly proceed by clicking this Add to Live Meeting button right here, in which we are required here to enter the meeting link. So let's say I'm going to use my Google Meet in here, and I'm just going to copy this meeting link, and after that just go back to this page once again and paste it in here. Then click Start Capturing button below to proceed. And upon doing so, you will automatically be directed in here. Just click Open Meeting. Now it will show you that it is now currently added. So just click Switch Here button to proceed. So now as you can see, we have now currently on this page where we can start capturing all of the meeting. And you should see here, if you go back to this page, that it is now currently added. But if you start ending this live meeting, all you need to do is wait for it to this page or this meeting statuses or meeting section to be uploaded or to transcribe the meeting, in which it says that it takes 5 to 10 minutes to process once you start ending the meeting. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Fireflies AI. Thank you.